sorry, Be. Sorry. Okay ka, Kuya JR? No? Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. Okay.
Wait lang po, yung pawis ko, matil-matil lang.
Ngayon naman, Be.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I'm so happy that I invited because I think this is my first event that I went sa launching ng Fonda. And I mas special sa kanya.
Oh, si Bea, okay. Pati ikaw, how does it feel?
Very honored. Bilang we're in honor, diba?
Yes.
I feel very honored. And it's very nice kasi I've tried the phone and I've seen reviews online and it's so very up to date. Kasi sobrang advanced niya, sobrang in time with the AI era, diba? Talagang na-integrate na siya sa isang cellphone that will really make every Filipino's lives way easier. So I'm just really very excited, of course. Kasi for sure they'll be launching it here and mas marami pa sila for sure na i-announce about the mobile phone. So, ayun.
Speaking of excitement and being proud, gaano ka kasaya at ka-proud kay Wilbert sa kanyang 2-day sold-out concert? Grabe, wala. Yung first day, 50 minutes. Yung second day, 1 hour sold out.
Every time nagkukwento po siya ng parang ano niya, ng achievement niya, I always say, buti naman, deserve. Kasi I really tell him that talagang maybe it's ngayon lang siya dumating, but it's really something that he really deserves. So, and lahat naman yon talagang pinaghirapan niya. It's his hard work, it's his time, and it's his patience, diba? So it's time for him to really reap what he saw. So, so I'm very excited for him. I'm very excited for everything that's exciting coming his way.
O, anong sasabi mo sa sinabi ni Bea?
Thank you. And syempre, she's very supportive naman ever since. And actually, siya yung isa sa mga taong tinawagan ko. Habang umiiyak ako ng the moment na yung 15, nalaman ko 15 minutes, tinawagan ko agad siya. Minalit ako sa kanya. And then she said, congrats, and she's really happy for me, na-deserve ko. Yun. So, thank you.
Will you be part of his concert?
We'll see.
Yes! May pasabog. Ano pasabog ni Wilbert sa concert?
Ito na lang natin. Basta ang alam ko, we will not announce any guests publicly. So, kasi ano siya like, syempre,
Correct.
concert ko, so dapat ako lang yung parang iaasahan nila, like, hindi sila pupunta for other people.
Correct.
It's my story, it's my, yung 10 years na pinagdaan sa show, it's my songs na nasulat.
Gano'n ka ka-hands-on?
Yes, sobra.
Sobra.
Ako yung gumawa mismo ng pinaka-flow, ng lahat, ng idea ng pinaka-concert.
Anong aabangan sa inyo after the hit? Grabe yung virality ng series ninyo. Ano pang pasabog ninyo?
PMAC!
Yes.
Fourth quarter this year, PMAC, yun ang abangan nyo. At meron pa kayong malalaman din, malapit na yung malaman yung may announcement pa na dadating.
Ako pahabol ko. Are you used to the new found fame pa? Yung parang yung craze ng mga tao sa Will Bea after GSO?
Ako, this is like parang first time kong ganitong ka-hype. And sure si Bea, matagal naman na siyang hindi Bea Pinene. And more on naninibago at some point. Siyempre, kalakip nung medyo mas madami din sumusuporta, dumadami din yung parang bashers or mga negative na mga bagay. So, ayun, nasasanay lang din at nire-remind ko yung sarili ko na focus sa arts ko at sa music.
Go ahead, Bea.
Ako po, I'm just really very grateful. Ramdam ko, personally, I'm speaking for myself, I really feel the difference before and after GSOT and the love that we're getting. Talagang mas nararamdaman namin na palaki ng palaki yung family. I call them family. Palaki ng palaki yung family, padami ng padami yung members, and I'm just really very grateful that the amount of support that they're getting, lahat ng financially, physically, spiritually, kasi sinasabi nila they pray for us, and I'm just really very grateful, and I hope that this is just the start. I really pray that this is just the start of something beautiful for everyone.
And last na, do you see the TikTok edits sa mga ex?
Sobra.
Yung parang,
Sobra.
Yun yung isa sa mga reason but kumalat yung balita about G-Shot because of the edits na parang na-curious yung mga tao na kung klaseng show to. Thankful thankful kami sa lahat ng mga edits.
Pahabol din, nung in-announce na kayo yung sa team, ang daming positive reaction na bagay daw sa inyo yung roles.
We're happy kasi from the GSOT din na medyo positive din na tatanggap namin. We're happy na pati sa PMAC medyo positive din na tatanggap namin kasi alam naman natin yung pressure pag adaptation. Talagang may mga expectation yung mga tao. And happy kami na kahit pa paano, hindi man lahat, pero madami ang natutuwa.
Be.
Syempre po, the pressure will always be there. I think mas pressure to than GSOT for me because simply because it's coming from a film that's very successful abroad.
Correct.
Diba? And sobrang nakakakaba. Syempre, it's the biggest grossing Thai film of all time. I'm not sure if it's up to date
Yeah,
until
sa
now.
Thailand.
But sobrang Syempre, yung pressure po palaging nandun. Syempre, the leads that portrayed the roles, yung nagagampanan naming mga roles, di ba? And siguro, thankful din kasi all in all, as much as yung mga nababasa naman namin, it's mostly positive. But again, I understand that we all have different opinions, diba? Not everyone naman can be on the same page, and I accept it. And I just really hope that they give the project a chance. But then,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.